Morning students, welcome in English class. Today we are going to start English reader book, page number 14. Vowel sounds, sound of vowel. A. B-A-T bat, bat means balla. C-A-T cat, cat means billy. M-A-T mat, mat means chatai. R-A-T rat, rat means चूहा. TAP tap, tap means null. CAP cap, cap means टोपी. GAP gap, gap means दूरी. MAP map, map means नक्शा. BAG bag, bag means थैला. RAG rag, rag means फटा हुआ कपड़ा. TAG tag, tag means tag. WAG wag, wag means हिलाना. DAD dad, dad means पापा जी. Dad means पापा जी. LAD lad, lad means लड़का. Lad means लड़का. PAD pad, pad means pad. SAD sad, sad means उदास. Sad means उदास.